Don't be scared, be prepared with the College Compass. First, you all should have received a Google Doc of the College Compass in both English and Espanol. Now, day one, you want to start with this, the first page. Students will enter their name and their college and career goal. They may need some help and guidance from you here. Next section is a wellness check-in. There are several questions here. Again, help guide them through. We then get to the personal goal setting. Make sure that this is changed from October to December as far as their personal goal. The second day, that will focus on grades. Now, what you'll find here is that students will look up their grades in Schoology. Here they'll enter their course names. There's a GPA calculator, as well as grades they hope to earn this semester. What I did was have them put their current grades here because I found that more helpful to see where they are at this point in time. Following that, there are several questions. What class am I looking forward to and why, etc. Challenges. And then, what is a fun class I'd like to take in college? This should be optional, unless you have a lot of time to handle that. Handle it how you see fit. But again, that involves a deeper dive. Moving to the GPA, most colleges set around a 3.0. You can research this with your students. Target GPA of goal college, what I will do in order to achieve this goal. The third day should be attendance. We're going to stay away from the reading level because we don't have all the necessary information. So just a quick recap. Tuesday, basic student information, wellness check-in, personal goal setting. On Wednesday is when you're going to want to tackle the grades and GPA. And then on Thursday, attendance. On Friday, you can circle back. All right, you're going to go to your courses and you're going to select your advisory periods. Since I've already set this up in my advisory, we're going to choose a random class and do it from there. Now, the first thing we're setting up, of course, is your College Compass folder. Go to Add Materials, Add Folder, choose a color of your liking, and then let's get busy. I'm going to title mine College Compass Semester 1. Leave a note for the kiddos. Now, set your date. I'm going to set the end of this week to have it complete. And now you've got your folder. Now, once your folder's created, you're going to want to enter there. And then, under Add Materials, I'm going to add Assignment. And then you should have the Google Drive Assignments app. This is necessary for the Compass. You're going to click on that. And then you have the Google Doc shared to you. And so all you need to do is find it. And then when you find it, you're going to click on that. Then you attach. And now the College Compass will be here. And as it says, it will create a copy of your file for each student. You set your due date, and I'm going to call this classwork/homework. Now, remember, you're going to need Google Drive assignments, and if you need any help on that, you can reach out and I can help you troubleshoot. And now in your folder, you will have the College Compass. If you click on this, when students click on this, this is what they'll see. And each student will have this College Compass document. Now, what they're going to see here is here it will say My Document, and that's what they're going to click on in order to access it. Now, the next thing you want to do is in your advisory class, you want to put a link in here to Otis. And so you're going to go Add File Link External tool. You're going to add a link, and then the provided link will be on the document that I sent. Let's pull that up. And the provided link is going to be right here. You're going to find that in your College Compass Otis User's Guide. Let's put that link there, and we're going to call it College Compass Link. Add that. So you're going to add the link, and then click Add. Now, should that not work, which it usually does, then what I do is I add a note. You can do discussion, College Compass link, see if it works here. Attach that, and then just in case the link doesn't work, use this in the search / address tab. Cut and paste it. Now I'm going to create that, set it for the 13th, and voila. Now you can always check the link to see if it works. See here, it doesn't appear. But if they copy and paste that, that will take them to the Clever portal. Now, another thing you could try, because sometimes Schoology is tripping, is let's just add a link to the feed. And let's see if this works. Now you'll see the link down here, and then if they click on it, here it will say College Compass link. They can click on this, and that will also take them to the Clever portal. Now, when they're here at the Clever portal, they're going to want to log in with Active Directory. They're going to enter their single sign-on, and that should take them here. Now, what they're going to see here, maybe later, what they're going to see here is this Otis box. Now, when they click on that, it's going to kick them out to here. Now, they don't need to enter their single sign-on again. All you need to do is click on these 4 colored Microsoft Magical boxes, and then they will be transported into Otis. Now, when they get to Otis, what you're going to want them to do is on the side of the screen, they're going to see this. Now, next step when we get here for them is they're going to have a tab that you can't see. Their tab, there'll be a reports right under Gradebook. Now, you're going to want them to click on those reports. That should take them to their classes, and in reports they'll find Attendance Matters. In here, Student Targets, Target Set, there'll be a drop-down menu where they can access their attendance. And then also, as you'll see here, daily attendance rate, days absent, days enrolled. And then they should also be able to scroll down and see their GPA. Now, that's one way of going about it. What you'll also be provided with is an Excel document where you can look up your students' GPAs, attendance, etc. if you prefer that method. This College Compass for Students Otis User Guide will also be provided to you.